have to say. What is the general form of this?
AX plus BY plus
Say Nana.
AX plus BY plus C
AX
is
plus BY plus C equal to
0.
0. Okay, this is a general formula for the pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. So what we have to discuss in this chapter?
Unique solutions.
Okay, unique solution.
Intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines.
Coefficient lines.
Constancy. Consistent.
Still what we have to learn? The pair of a linear equations in two
Find out.
variables have many solutions or only one solution?
Many solutions.
Is there many solutions? Two lines can drawn in the same plane. Only one of the following has three situation is possible. So what is that we have? Intersecting. So intersecting, we will intersect at which, how many points here we will intersect?
1 point, madam. Unique solutions.
Only 1 point or unique
solutions. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
Constant, madam. Consistent.
So is a linear equation inconsistent or consistent?
Consistent, madam.
The pair?
Intersecting lines.
Pair of linear equation is pair of linear equation inconsistent.
Consistent, madam.
Consistent or inconsistent? Consistent only. Okay. So don't be confused. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. The pair of linear equation is consistent. Okay.
Unique solutions.
Intersecting lines.
Unique solution and intersecting line. Okay. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2
B1
is equal to C1 by C2. The pair of linear equation is that.
Lines, madam. Coincident lines.
Coincident lines.
Coincident lines, madam.
Coincident lines. It is an
infinite solutions, madam.
infinite solution. So consistent or inconsistent? The pair of linear equation.
Consistent, madam. Consistent.
Consistent.
Infinite solution.
So the pair of linear equation inconsistent. So infinite solution. Infinite solution. Consistent, infinite solution, still coincident line. Okay, third one. A1 by A2.
A1 by A2. Equal to B1 by B2, not
B1 by B2
by C2.
is not equal to C1 by C2.
C1 by C2. So it's
Parallel.
a pair of
Parallel lines.
Parallel lines. Two lines may be not intersect at any where. So it is a parallel line.
No, sir.
So it is a solution.
No solution.
No, sir. Inconsistent.
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent. Okay, very good. The pair of linear equation inconsistent, no solution, parallel. Okay. So we have to know compulsory here equation. So we have the two general equations we have. We want S and O, we have to find that A1 by A1 x plus B1 y plus C1 equal to A2 x plus
A2x
B2 y
plus
plus
B2y
C2
plus
equal
C2
to
is equal to
0. So we want to the two equations. Then only we can do this problem. Okay.
okay.
Some problems we will do and we will discuss about this regarding to this chapter. Okay. First question. Check whether the pair of linear equations check whether the pair of linear equations represent intersecting parallel and coincident. So now only we discuss about this one. Can anyone can say the any two equations and say that how many we have or not? Can anyone can say that?
2x
Equation
plus
can say anyone?
2x plus y plus 5
2x
plus y plus 5
plus y what? I am
plus
asking
5
about the plus 5. Okay.
is equal to 0.
Next.
3x plus
3x
plus 2y plus 4.
plus 4. So what they asked in the question, check whether the pair of linear equations represent intersecting, parallel and coincide lines. So we have to check the lines. Now say the condition.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2.
A1 by
Not-
A2 equals to B1 by B2.
Is not equal to C1 by C2.
Is not equal to C1 by C2. So here we have to represent that 2x in the coefficient of x, we have to write 2. So A1 equals to 2, B1 equals to 1, C1 equals to
5.
5. Next, A2 equals to 3, B2 equals to 2, C2 equals to 4.
4.
So 2 by 3
2 by 3.
is equal to
1 by 2.
is
5
not
by
equal
4.
to
5 by 4.
So this is which condition here?
It is intersecting lines, madam.
It is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means
A1 by A2
some
is not
condition A1 by
A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. madam.
Is not equal to B1 by B2.
so it is
2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2.
2 by 3 is not equal to
1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2. So these lines are intersecting
intersecting
lines.
lines.
Intersecting line. Okay. So next they ask the parallel parallel and coincide also. Once we will check for that one also, no?
2/3 is equal to 1/2 is equal to 5/4.
So parallel means our solution want to be lines are must be
A1/A2 is equal to B1/B2 is not equal to C1/C2.
A1/A2 is not equal. A1/A2 equals to B1/B2 is not
B1/B2.
equal to
C1/C2.
C1/C2. So here also we didn't have the A1/A2 is equal is there here.
No, madam.
No, madam.
So our condition will satisfy there.
Intersecting lines only, madam.
Only intersecting. But here parallel lines and coincident lines are not be formed. Okay. Only
Okay,
intersecting line will be formed. So for confusion, they will ask to like this. So check carefully when you are doing the problem. So only the intersecting lines only will be
Possible.
possible here. Next second question. Sir, what the value of K? Sir, what the value of K following pair of linear equations? Following pair of linear equations (2x plus ky, 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. Then represent the parallel lines. Represent the parallel lines. Represent the parallel lines. So parallel lines we want means what is the condition? So first given pair of
A1/A2
linear
B2
equation.
equals to by B2 not equal to C1/C2.
First given
A1
pair
by
of a
A2.
linear equation is 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. So it is equation 1, equation 2. Okay. So A1 equals to 2, B1 equals to minus k, C1 equals to 3. Again here A2 equals to 4, B2 equals to 6, C2 equals to 5. So we have to write minus 5 only. Here when we are applying the condition, our problem will get wrong. So when you are writing the coefficient term, what are the signs is there with that term completely you have to write. So plus is there means no need to write the plus. If the minus sign is there means compulsory we have to write a minus sign. Suppose if you have B1 equals to K, if you write means it becomes wrong. Minus K you have to write. So parallel condition, what is the parallel line condition?
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is
B1
not
by
equal to
B2
C1.
is not
Is
equal
not
to
equal to C1 by C2.
Okay. Now 2 by 4 equal to minus k by 6 is not equal to 3 by minus 5. Okay. Up to here, what they asked in the representing the parallel lines, it is correct. So in the question again, what they asked?
We have to find out the parallel lines.
Okay, parallel lines we have to find out. So
Let
up to
K
the
is equal
condition
to minus 3. Man.
Okay. Up to here, we applied in the condition, and again here we wrote the value, coefficients of these values, and again we asked in the question what they asked to find out the value of
Parallel
K.
line. Let
K
K
value
is
they
equal.
So this condition is not equal. They already mentioned in our condition only, no. So we have to take that 2 by 4 equal to minus K by 6.
let
2
k
by
is
4
equal to
equals
minus 3.
K by 6. If you do the cross multiplication, 6 to
12
12. 12
is equal to minus 4. Minus 4k.
equals to minus 4K.
4.
Okay. So in the multiplication, we will get the from left hand side means it becomes division
minus
or addition?
Division, madam.
Division. So 12 by minus 4 equals to K.
Minus 3.
Minus 12 by
4 1 to 4 3. So K equal
minus
to
3.
minus 3.
3.
So if you substitute in the K value here, 2 by 4 equal to minus 3 by
6 is not equal to 3 by 5. 3 by minus 4. 3 twos.
3 twos. Again 2 1 to 2 twos.
2 twos.
So 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. So our condition want to become A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 we want. Now here we didn't get the same. So it is in the plus 1 by 2, it is in the minus 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is not equal. So our condition is not satisfied.
మేడం అప్పటికే మైనస్ ఉంది మేడం k వాల్యూ minus 3 minus into minus plus కదా
ఇక్కడ k వాల్యూ
minus k by 6 కదా మేడం
మనకి ఎక్కడ మైనస్ లేవు
అంటే మైనస్ k ఉంది కదా మేడం k వాల్యూ minus 3 minus into minus 3 k వాల్యూ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి k 2 by 4 is equal to minus k by 6 ఉంది మేడం
ఇక్కడ కంప్లీట్ గా మైనస్ k రాసుకో మైనస్ k ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కాదు నాన్న అది ఓకేనా
k is equal to 3 మేడం minus 3 మైనస్ ఉంటుంది మేడం ఇంకా k వాల్యూ minus 3 మేడం ఇక్కడ ఇంకా minus k ఉంది
k వాల్యూ
అక్కడ k వాల్యూ దగ్గర minus 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి మేడం 3 వస్తుంది మేడం
k దగ్గర minus 3
సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే minus into minus ప్లస్ అవుతుంది
minus into minus
ప్లస్
మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అంటావు
అవును
సో 1/2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1/2 అంతేనా
yes మేడం
అప్పుడు ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై Okay, next question. The value of x which satisfies the equation 2x minus 4 minus x equal to 5 minus x. So here what we have to find out?
x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మేడం
X value
ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి
find out చేయాలి
2x into minus 4 మేడం
2x into
minus
minus 4
minus 4
minus into minus
plus 2x
Plus?
square मैडम.
x plus 2x only x
Only x
Minus.
madam.
Minus x
X
मैडम.
Plus x madam.
కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు ఒకసారి నేను చెప్తా చూడండి 2 అని ఇవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ 2x ఆఫ్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు మనకి ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి
Minus
2x
madam.
మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఇచ్చింది అంటే 2x సపరేట్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ సపరేట్ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేయకూడదు మనం సపరేట్ గా రాయాలి ఓకేనా 2x మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ సపరేట్ టర్మ్స్ ఇవి 2x సపరేట్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ సపరేట్ ఇప్పుడు 2x 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఇదంతా ఒక టర్మ్ మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ 8x మైనస్ 2x ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ 2x స్క్వేర్ ఇదైతే 2x మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ అంటే అప్పుడు 3x మైనస్ 4 ఈ టర్మ్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాదు ఇది 2x 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఇది 2x మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ సో మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్
Plus
ఈక్వల్ టు
5 minus x.
Okay.
2x minus 2x plus x.
3x minus 4 equal to 5 minus
5
x.
minus x. 3x plus x.
Minus x ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది
plus x.
Plus.
plus x equal to 5 plus 4.
4.
4x equal
4x
to
is equal to 9.
9.
X is equal to 9 by 4.
10/4.
2.25.
అంటే
X is equal to 2.25.
x equals to 2.25. ఇంకొక 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం So what is meant by consistent equation? Give example. What is an A? Can anyone say?
If the two lines intersect at point, then the point gives the unique solution of the two equations. In this case, the pair of equation is consistent.
So consistent equation. So they may ask in the 1 mark question for like this also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. If the
So the
solutions
larger
are
of
available, it is in the consistent.
The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 58 degrees. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 58 degrees Then find the angle. Then find the angle. So what they given in the question, what we have to find out here?
The angle find out చేయాలి మేడం.
Angle find out చేయాలి. ఏం ఇచ్చాడు అక్కడ మనకి?
180 degrees. Supplementary.
Okay, supplementary angles అంటే 180 degrees. ఇంకా angle exceeds the smaller by 58 degrees అంటున్నాడు. స్మాలర్ యాంగిల్ ని y అనుకుంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ప్లస్ 58 డిగ్రీస్ అనుకుంటున్నా. x ఈక్వల్ టు y ప్లస్ 58. యాంగిల్ ఎక్సీడ్స్ ద స్మాలర్ బై 58 అన్నాడు ఇక్కడ. అవునా? అంటే అప్పుడు 5 ప్లస్ 58 రాసుకున్నా. y ఇటు సైడ్ వేసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? x మైనస్ y ఈక్వల్స్ టు 58. అంటే ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకోవచ్చా? మనకి ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు సప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటాయి మనకి? 180 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటాయి. టూ యాంగిల్స్ కలిపి 180 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే అప్పుడు x ప్లస్ y ఏమవుతుంది మనకి?
180 degrees.
x ప్లస్ y ఈక్వల్స్ టు 180 డిగ్రీస్. అప్పుడు ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 1, ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2. ఈక్వేషన్ 1 2 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ ఏంటన్న డిఫరెన్స్ తెలుస్తుందా లేదా? తెలుస్తుందా? సో సాల్వింగ్ 1 and 2. x plus y equals to 180, x minus y equals to
58.
58.
y cancel.
So you no need to change the signs. So plus or minus we will get the cancel. X plus x
2x.
2x equal to
180 plus 58.
180 plus 58. How much?
238.
238. So x equal to
238 by 2.
119 madam.
119 madam.
119. So 2 ones, again 2 ones, 2 nines. And 1 is there. So 18. So 2 nines. So 119. So x equal to 119. So y value also we can find out. So substitute anywhere in the first equation or second equation, wherever you can use. Okay. So I am substituting in the second equation. X minus y equals to 58. So x value how much is there? 119 minus y equals to 58. So 119 minus 58. So minus y, it becomes, goes to the left to the right, it becomes plus
61.
So 11 minus 5, 6.
61.
So y value is 61. So angle 1 is 119, another angle is 61. If you add these two angles, we will get again 180 degrees only. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay, ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. Lahari brought 2 pans. Lahari brought 2 pans and 5 pencils. Lahari brought 2 pens and 5 pencils. Spending rupees is 30. Spending is 30 rupees. Express in the form of linear equation in variables.
2x plus 5y is equal to 30.
Very good. 2x plus
5y is
5y
equal to
equals
30.
to 30. So here pencils we represent as an x,
X.
and pens we represent as an x,
Y.
and pencils we represent in the y.
Y.
So how many pencils they ask? 5 pencils. How many pens they ask? 2 pens.